Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2017 Honda Civic LX. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows with automatic front windows and the tailgate button down below. This vehicle seats 5 passengers. It also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It's got AM, FM radio, USB inputs, Bluetooth audio, smartphone connection, heated seating, and many more great features.